Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Disney set Rapunzel's mini tower. It looks so cute, right? So we've got like two dolls, Rapunzel and Flynn, and also Pascal included in this set. It's so hot these days, right? Anyway, we've got like two guidebooks and two bags of Lego. So first, this is Rapunzel, and her dress looks so adorable, right? And her face is the same from the one in like Rapunzel's castle set. Now her hair seems a bit longer because her body is shorter. Anyway, Pascal, I think he's way too big than he's supposed to be. Anyway, this is Flynn. Yeah, so we've got three dolls like this. Pascal is almost big as these human dolls. Quite funny, right? So now let's start building this mini tower. Remember this January they made like these Ariel's kind of like this like a little mini castle thing set similar to this one. I also love that one design, and this one is also really nice. So we have a drawing of Pascal wearing Rapunzel's dress, the same drawing as the one that was in Rapunzel's castle set. So this small space over here, this blue small space, that's kind of like a bedroom for Pascal underneath the castle. Yeah, so there's also a crown over here, crown. I'm not so sure if this is for Pascal or Rapunzel, but anyway, this is the bottom part, and now let's start building the upper part. So we have a bedroom and also like a mini kitchen, and also where Rapunzel can draw stuff. So basically it's just like four spaces, like Pascal's bedroom, Rapunzel's bedroom, kitchen, and a drawing room. So anyway, we've got some flowers over there, dark pink and purple. Yeah, so there's pink, pink flowers, and like this yellow door, kind of like that balcony place. We've got some pretty windows as well. So this is where Rapunzel can draw things. So we're going to put the drawing that we made before inside. So this is the roof part, and there is a little flower over here which is super cute. Yeah, so let's add some golden details and things like that, and include the drawing as well, like this Pascal's drawing. So we made the other part, and now we have to make the right part. Yeah, so we made the left part. Now time for the right part. So this one in the bottom, we've got a mini kitchen with like cupcakes, and on top of that we're going to have a bedroom. And I love this one. I love this side more than the left side. Like the right side I like better because the window shape is really pretty. Anyway, we've got some like fireplace, I think, and like cupcake, pink icing cupcake over here. And now we need to add the upper floor. So after we build this place, we're going to also add the bed that we built before. So we've got some pink and purple flowers over here as well, and this one, the window looks super fancy, which is really awesome. So let's add some golden bits and really nice looking flowers as well. And this is the window. Yeah, like this golden color looks so cute, right? I totally love it. And some brown colors over here as well, so you can like this window you can open. And I love those green parts as well, like these mini things Lego Disney makes quite often, right? I think these sets are super cute because you can also like lock them, which is really nice. So now let's add the roof for this part as well. This part we are going to have a frying pan, which is really nice detail, right? Because Rapunzel, like I think she hit Flynn with like this frying pan by mistake. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was something like that. Don't really remember it really clearly though, but I think it was kind of like that. So anyway, now we finished building and we can lock this tower like this. Looks so cute, right? So amazing. I just can't wait to play with it. I mean, this is not really like so much like suitable set for playing, but it's actually quite nice to play with it as well. So this set is for like 5-year-olds, so I think these like mini like these sets are going to be very good for like little children. It's very good for adults as well because I mean it's so cute, right? And it's also very good for decoration. Anyway, now let's start playing with it. So let's open this tower. And so first Rapunzel is sleeping in her bedroom, and now she's awake. Na na na. And she's going to draw Pascal. So wait a second. Let's put this back like this and also put Pascal in the background. So let's put Pascal so that Rapunzel can like see him while drawing him. So it's kind of sad because these mini dolls, like mini ones, their hands are so small so that they can hardly touch, like hold anything at all. So she can't hold the brush, but say that she's drawing like this. It's a really hilarious drawing, right? I think that piece is so funny and cute as well. So let's put this back. So now Rapunzel finished her drawing. So awesome, right? It looks so cute. So now this is the flower that Flynn gave Rapunzel, which I'm not so sure if he actually did, but let's just say that he did because I don't really remember the story. This is more like freestyle playing. So this is the crown over here next to Pascal's bed. So Rapunzel is going to wear this crown. So pretty, right? And it looks like Flynn is here. So yeah, Rapunzel will go to the window and pull down her hair so that Flynn can climb up. Wait a sec. Okay, so now let's put Flynn over there. So now Flynn is here waiting to climb up because the witch, the witch has, is it the witch? Anyway, like someone who says that she, like this person who pretends that she is Rapunzel's mother, but she actually isn't. I think she's a witch, right? Anyway, so now Flynn is climbing up with Rapunzel's hair. So now they're both in Rapunzel's tower. So now Flynn is going to play with Rapunzel, and so Rapunzel is also showing off his her frying pan, and they all feel kind of hungry. So they arrived at the kitchen, and Rapunzel is also showing Flynn her masterpiece, which looks super amazing. Very impressive, right? So anyway, they are feeling hungry, so they decided to eat this lovely cupcake over here. Looks so good, right? Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, so now they're eating this cupcake. Now it's kind of making me want to eat cupcake. So now they ate the cupcake and they are searching for other things to do, but it's almost time for her for the witch to come back. So Flynn has to go back, and Rapunzel will pretend as if she's asleep. So anyway, let's put this crown back into its place, which is actually not so easy because this place is too small. So I think I should like remove this tower for a little bit. Sorry, like yeah, there you go. I think it's going to be okay now. Yeah, there you go. Now let's put this tower back into its place. Wait, yeah, there you go. Perfect. So yeah, put it like this, and Pascal is also sleeping, and Rapunzel is also going to pretend as if she is asleep too, kind of like this. There you go. Looks so cute, right? So now let's close this window and also lock this tower. So this is the end of the video, and this set is so cute, right? And I will come back with other Lego videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.